start mo na please.
Oh, sakto pala, 9:01. I'm just late by 1 minute.
You have a sanction now.
Suction? Where?
What? Eyo!
Hey, yo.
Jesus.
Start, Bry, start.
Art,
Nag-start
Kibray.
na. Naglo-load, naglo-load.
Still. Okay. Understandable. Have a great day.
Please submit letter of explanation tonight.
Hindi pa nga.
Tonight, EOD, 11:59.
1-0. Tapos nampad palit yung tukoy niya. No?
Mabuta, Bakit pag ganito yung helicopter ko? Yo! Pilot, chill! Shouldn't we be hovering?
Nagna-90 degrees eh.
Yun ang helicopter. Okay, boys! I'm up!
Ano, wala naman duct tape. Teka lang, wala tayong duct tape.
I'm going up.
Oh shit,
Wala pa rin
intestine.
tape.
Intestines. I like that. Give me some of that.
Isaw.
Isawin natin yan. Okay. Degen mind stick alike.
Follow my voice.
Alam mo, boss.
Tagdawan niyo po.
Hey! I did not choose to be old. Yo!
Old man.
Forgive me for being old. Oh shit! Ano yung sinira ko?
That-
Gago,
That
sinira ko.
tone alone is offensive. Ang down nito.
No, I mean, all I have... Jeez.
Oh my
Why am I hearing voices in my ears? Oh, there's a creepy crawly guy. Fight me! Ay, gago,
that's just
sinira
me.
lang yung stick.
Oh shit.
Saan na yun?
Oh, scrolling again. Time
Yes.
to chop this shit.
Ooh! You're... Oh my... I'm dead. Hello?
Ako rin ako namatay.
Oh, labor muna, labor.
Sino mga...
Ay, grunting ko.
Na-approve ba yan ng DPWH?
No, we don't do that here. Fucking asshole.
Meron akong HP pero hindi ko alam paano magbigay eh. Kasi dati may sharing tray eh.
Tatapat ka sa, tatapat ka sa...
Feed me using your mouth.
Okay,
What?
come
Wow.
Come.
I put something in your backpack.
Put in my... What? E?
Wait, ito ba?
Gagawin ko.
Labor.
Isa pa. Wala akong makita. Wait. Ito. Give. Ayan.
Ah, yeah, meds collected. Nice. Thanks.
Sino pa yung low?
Mag-a-addict na ako.
Bray ba yan?
Mag-a-addict
What?
na ako.
Ikaw mo. How do you...
Labor.
ba't di kita mai?
Heal mo na.
Yan.
Patay
Ay.
naman ako sa next time.
Yan.
Black guy.
Yo! I'm giving you meds. Those ain't drugs, man.
Hey, Miss Scout. Scout is here. I'm going for him. Oh shit! Umakit ng puno!
Tayo range.
Puta! Tatagay ko yung
Sana,
puno
sana,
niya. Ito to, dito sa puno na to.
Saan?
Tara, gibayin natin yung puno. Gibayin natin yung puno.
Here!
Go, lumipat.
Lumipas.
Lipat?
I can't see him.
Tara.
Diyan. Here! Ay, gago sa...
Ay, sorry.
Skill na nga lang dyan.
Good morning. Sabi kalaban.
There is some ass in my face, man.
What?
Marami sila, marami. Oras ka, talon-talon sa puno.
Yo,
Asan?
chill, Miles Morales. Come down here.
Ito.
Oh, shit.
Enjoy ba kayo?
Aray!
Kakatamaan! Yo! Oh, fuck you guys, I'm healing.
I'm friend!
Kakatamaan tayo. This is too much chaos. I'm healing.
He died.
This is some coordination
Isa
right
pa.
here. Ito pa isa. Ay, nasinuntok pa ako nun. Oh god! Then I'm down.
Your friend?
Crafted spear.
Can I get a res? Yo, what's this? Who the fuck is log in my face?
My bad.
Shit. It's so fucking dark.
Oo nga eh.
Oh shit.
Is this a DC movie? This is what the Snyder Bros like.
Come for me.
Tara, tulog.
Ay, shit.
Ay, oo nga, pwede nga pala yun. Ano,
Hindi ko naman gusto natin.
dito sa tent. Let's Z. Z in the tent.
Z in the tent.
May kama sa loob si Bri. Gumawa siya ng kama.
What the heck?
Go sleep, please. Sino pa yung wala?
Mark, kasama ka ba dyan, Mark?
Hindi. Umalis pala ako. What the fuck?
Left,
Z.
left.
One more.
Z in the tent.
Somebody sleep.
I am
Ay, yo.
Z!
Z. Bri?
Oh,
God,
Z.
MSD.
Sino wala? Uy, wow.
Ang ina.
Z na lang.
Eh kung natulog na tayo.
Ano ba yung wala?
Si Bri.
Dito tayo pag sa loob.
Get off.
Get out!
Lamin.
Z sa loob.
Z sa loob. Yan. Kaya pala eh. Somebody's gone.
Pricey.
Bry's gone.
No.
Mukhang i-wait out natin yung night dito.
Mukhang titigan muna tayo, guys.
5 men just looking at each other.
Ay, paano ba matulog?
Z.
Kama sa kama.
Oh.
Puta, nagkasya. Hindi ko alam kung paano tayo nagkasya dun. Pero nagkasya tayo.
Ay, punta tayo sa ano, exclamation point sa mapa.
Save mo
Uy,
na.
sunod,
Ang dami
sunod.
natin nakuha
Ay, sa
eh.
likod mo.
Bitch ass.
God, man.
Aray ko! Bro! You swung twice on me. Jesus.
My bad. It was the axe.
Basta.
Get your battle fury off.
It was the axe. My bad.
Fucking battle fury.
Game save. Go save.
What am I
Punta tayo
seeing?
exclamation point sa
I'm
map.
seeing a girl.
Girl.
Hello?
You
Tawa ko
oh.
pa ako eh.
What the
Ay, oo nga.
Ha?
Uy, kalaban yan. Apat yung paa.
Apat yung paagagin daw.
May third leg, may third leg. What the fuck?
Hey, yo.
Third leg!
I can fix
Yo,
her.
that's a different story.
I can fix it.
That's some lady boy there.
Oh, ito yung gago to. Yan.
Tangan ang bilis niya. Apat yung paa, pre.
I'm not lady. I'm lady boy.
Oh, shit!
Get this guy. Oh shit.
You need some help. You need Jesus.
Pagod na ako.
Ay, di ko kaya. Fuck that.
Oh, we got raccoon.
You need Jesus.
What do you mean we?
Yo,
My raccoon.
Me too, I got raccoon.
yo.
What do you mean, we? Credit
Why?
grabber alert.
Why you take my raccoon?
Communism.
Community. It's our
Our
raccoon.
Our raccoon now.
Nandiyan
Saan na?
yung lady boy. Nalirinig
Ano
ko yung
eh?
lady boy.
Oo nga.
Ito, tinutukoy kong Willy. I found the Willy.
Really? Sarili mo doon sila.
Okay, man. Meron pa dyan isa.
Oh
Ano
shit.
tayo? Stick tayo sa kanila, doon sa dalawa. Baka mamatay.
We're going. Puta. Hinihingal na pala yung
Punta natin
character ko.
sila, punta natin
Shit.
sila.
Gonna need some cardio.
Yo, what's up? We're here.
We're here.
Look at
What
me.
the fuck is that?
Look at
May
me.
security guard.
Oh, no.
May security guard.
Wall caps.
Oh shit, naba ako.
Meron.
Wall caps.
How the fuck do you use it though?
I-click mo lang ata.
What the hell? Oh shit, kalaban pala to. May kalaban dito. Yo, this is so hard to control.
Oh shit.
Get him!
Tawag ko na.
Drive by!
Oh, ano. Ang ina, cavalier.
Nakapal yung miss, nadapa ako! Shit! Nadapa ako! Si Brian may ikot na.
Cheers here.
Wala, hindi ko na nakita yung lady boy. Sagasama mo. Aray ko
I'm no lady.
One hit ako!
I'm no lady.
Oh shit, they're on me.
Ugly ass! Wait, get Bry. Paano balis dito? Ah, jump
Double
Bry,
space
okay.
daw. Oh!
Get Bry, nice.
Ano, pinatay lang ako.
Tumba!
Patay, patay.
Babahin to.
Ito si Golden Boy.
Spin downward.
Aray ko.
Nice.
Baka ma...
Okay, we win.
Ano na tayo sila?
Skill diff.
Gonna be golden.
Meron pa, miss ko to.
Yo, that's
This
mine.
yours.
Why you take mine?
This is mine. Go to.
On me.
Follow his voice.
Ayun, may usok.
Gagawin dami.
Oh shit.
Asan yung ano?
Tugod.
Parking muna, parking.
Civilization sila.
Parking muna.
Parking. Get him!
Daw. Oh, takbo. Takot.
Takot.
Oh,
He's
one
scared.
down.
What do you mean marami?
Scared.
Puta, may puwet dun sa upuan. What the heli? I gotta chill.
What? Where?
Ano nyo to?
Disgusting.
Oh my
Where?
Oh my god.
It's my throne now.
Ay, umupo agad.
Yo.
Uy,
Oh,
ang lambot. Feels good.
It's still warm.
Feels good.
Meds.
Okay.
Give me the meds. Eh, may camp. Oh shit! Guys!
Bakit?
May kalaban. May camp dito. Ay, no.
Gago nga, katabi lang pala natin.
Clear muna natin.
Oh, tara. May scout to, nasa puno. Attack!
Sino tong filler na to?
Oh, gago.
Out of the air.
Oh!
Uy, malaki
See
siya.
that?
Yummy.
Uy, di mo sinipa ako, pre. Oh, gonna be golden.
Shit! Guys! I'm down!
Oh my god.
One hit ako.
Uy, aray ko. Oh my god, we're dead.
Patay tayo. Wait, thanks. I'm running.
Okay. I'm healing muna,
Oh shit!
healing.
I am down!
Nag-aura farm lang tong matangkad na.
Oo nga eh.
Oo nga eh. May spear siya sa katawan, but is not... Oh my god. Oh shit, scar for my ass.
Bubugbog sa golden din.
Ang dali lang pala, kahit eh. Oh shit, may isa pa.
Okay,
May armor yung isa, pre.
Dami yung armor.
May armor tong isa. Sa legs.
I will use the knife.
Uy, aray ko, I dead.
Guys.
Resurrect
Okay.
me.
Okay, don't use the kite, guys.
Okay,
Shit.
Dalawa sila, hindi kaya kahit.
Straight down lang
si
siya.
Teroy. Hinamon si Teroy.
Hindi niya ako kaya may granate.
Yun. I'm going.
Ooh!
What the?
He's down!
Fucker!
Fuck you! Make sure.
Get me my spectre. Bitch.
Do we free this one?
Ayun.
Ano to? Yo, does anybody see this? Chat, do you see this, chat? Yo, what's this? This was a mistake.
Oh
Fuck,
my
susunod ako
God.
kay Iman.
Mag-glider na ako, bahala na kayo.
Oh shit.
Guys,
Paano gagawin to?
Also, that looks like it can lose many.
Oh shit!
So really,
Aray ko! Oh my god. Glider
I
drop.
am sure. I mean, because last week there
Woohoo! Go!
Bro, please just die.
I definitely botched that fucking glide.